สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to Gail's Little Kitchen. Today I'm going to do pad see ew. Pad see ew is stir fry noodles. See ews mean soy sauce, like dark soy sauce. So this is one of the most famous stir fry noodles in Thailand as well. Last time I made pad thai, and today I'm gonna make pad see ew. And I'm gonna show you. This one is I use rice noodle, rice stick. Pad see ew's signature is white noodles, but you can use thin noodles or vermicelli as well. So it's not fixed, just how you like. But today I got this one. It's about like 5 millimeter noodles. So it's a rice stick, same like a pad thai. So you need to soak noodle in the cold water. Maybe leave it about like an hour and a half until the noodles soft and white like this. This is about like 200 grams. Today I'm gonna do pad see ew pork. Use pork fillet. I don't want to use the pork chop because the meat is a bit dry. So I'll go with pork fillet because they're softer. I'm gonna show you how to marinate the pork before we stir fry noodles. And this one is sweetheart cabbage. For pad see ew, usually we use gailan or Chinese broccoli, but because I can't find it, I went to the supermarket, Chinese supermarket, but I couldn't find it. In your local supermarket, you can use spring greens or collard greens or kale. That would be fine. Today I got this already, so I'm gonna use sweetheart cabbage. We have oyster sauce. You can find in the Asian supermarket or order from Amazon. And of course, we need dark soy sauce because it's a pad see ew. The soy sauce, they have light soy sauce and they have sweet soy sauce. This one is dark soy sauce. They are different purpose to use. Sometimes when I don't have dark soy sauce, I can use sweet soy sauce as well because they're pretty much the same, but the dark soy sauce, you're going to use just a little bit. They're really dark and it's like really salty as well. So we don't use a lot. But for the sweet soy sauce, you can use a little bit more, that's fine. I'm gonna use 2 eggs today because I like eggs. This one, the oyster sauce. This is 2 tablespoons, and this one is 1.5 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. But I'm not sure, I'm not gonna use that all. I might use just only 1 teaspoon. And this one is 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. And this one is the ingredient, this size. I have sesame oil, peppers, a little bit of 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and then light soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoon. So this one is for marinate pork. Before we start, I'm gonna chop the vegetable first. Okay, I'm gonna start chop the vegetable. So I just wanna cut the bottom here, and I cut half. If you can't find a sweetheart cabbage like this, you can use kale. Kale, that's all right. It tastes really similar like gailan. And but sometimes I went to Chinese supermarket. I can get it, and I like the taste of gailan or Chinese broccoli. But sometimes if I can't find it, I just go with whatever they have in my local supermarket. So I'm gonna chop like that. Okay, so I'm gonna use just only half. As you can see here, I know it's a lot, but because I like vegetables, when I stir fry already, they gone small, soft, so it's just okay for 1 portion with noodles. Oh, sorry, I forgot garlic. So we need garlic about 2 or 3 cloves. So here you go. Here you go. So for the garlic, some are used in the, put in the things and squeeze. But easy for me, it's just like, smash it or just like hit it like that to break it a little bit. And then chop. For crushed garlic, just do the way you like. I know it's a lot of garlic, but I love garlic. Okay, that is done. Important thing before I do pad see ew, I gonna marinate the pork first and leave in the fridge for half an hour to get all the flavors when you stir fry, and the pork gonna taste really nice. I'm not gonna use it all. I'm gonna slice it thin. Okay, after I slice pork, this is around like 150 grams. I'm gonna marinate the pork. So I'm gonna use the soy sauce, put it in, oyster sauce, sugar, and pepper, just a little bit, and this the sesame oil. Sesame oil is to help pork. It's like soft, nice, not like like when you stir fry, not too dry. So it help out with the meat get soft. If you don't have sesame oil, you can use olive oil or vegetable oils. Okay, I'm gonna use just only about 1 teaspoon and just mix them. Or you can use hand to massage them to get all the flavor in. So this pork, marinade pork, I'm gonna cling film and leave in the fridge for maybe about like 30 minutes, and then we can stir fry them after that. Okay, I'm ready to stir fry noodles. Turn the hot on medium heat. I'll use the olive oil, or you can use the vegetable cooking oil, it's fine. Just wait for the pan to get a little bit heat on, and gonna use oil. 2 spoons of oil. Then gonna start with chopped garlic. Just fry about maybe 30 seconds or less than a minute, and then add meat. Turn the heat a little bit high heat. This pad see ew less ingredients than pad thai, but it's very easy to cook as well. Sometimes like in a weekend, I always cook pad see ew for lunch for my family. Try to cook pork until no pink. If you want to use chicken, you can do the same as well. Just a slice chicken breast, and then just marinate. Just show you. Pork is cooked longer than chicken, so just want to make sure the pork is cooked. Okay, and then add noodles. I'm gonna add a little bit of boiled water. Just to help noodles get softer. Just like pour the water maybe about like 1 or 2 tablespoons. Yeah, and you can see that the noodles start to get soft. Okay, and then oyster sauce. This 2 tablespoons. Sugar. Fish sauce. And then this is dark soy sauce, like before. I don't want to put a lot, so I put it here, 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna put a little bit first because I don't want noodles too dark. Okay, put a bit more. Okay. And now, vegetables. If you use kale or spring greens, I recommend to put the spring greens or kale after pork before noodles because sometimes they need time to cook to stir fry to get soft. But because of the sweetheart cabbage, they get softly quicker, so I can put in after noodles. So it depends on the. So I just lower the heat a little bit, like medium low. Okay, I'm gonna add egg now. Just push to the side of the pan and then crack the egg to the empty spot that you made. Scramble or blend. Just leave it about like maybe 30 seconds to let the egg cook a little bit, and then push the noodle on top of the egg. My pad see ew might look a bit different because of the vegetables, so I try to show you that you can use something substitute if you can't find Thailand or Chinese broccoli. So you can use this kind of vegetable as well, and then you still can have pad see ew at home. Okay. Okay, I think it's nearly done. I'm gonna taste a little bit. Of course, pepper. That's why something's missing. I think that's it. I'll turn the hot off. I like vegetable a little bit crunchy. Don't be too soft. Okay, here you go. This is my pad see ew. Smells so good, and it's really easy that you can do it at home. And I'm sure that you will love it. And it's my daughter' favorite food, and she loves noodles. So please try it home and let me know. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.